Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get alert when your girl posts a new video. Today's video, today's video is basically just going to be a get ready with me. And I will be showing you guys how I do my hair wraps. I will be taking this week off and doing a hair wrap today. And as you guys remember, I did the purple hair paint on this hair. I mean, it's not as vibrant as it was at first, but the purple is still in there, especially when I'm outside in the light. But I will be probably conditioning or boiling this week today, so the purple. The next video might be a vlog video. And then after that, I might do the purple on my natural hair, do my natural hair for you guys. I might do Bantu knots, and then my big curly poof ball. I just woke up, you guys, so my words are a little twisted. So basically, how I start my mornings off, I always wash my face with soap and water first. Down soap, the unscented kind for sensitive skin. That's the only thing I put on my skin, guys, is soap and water. Because I feel like once I start using something for my skin or some type of face cream, like I'll do a mask or something like that, or moisturizer, but I don't want my skin to be dependent on anything but soap and water right now. So that's what I'm about to do. And you guys, I'll do the first wash while my skin is just dry. Should have took my wig off, but it's okay. It would be getting washed anyways. And I did have a little eyebrow stuff yesterday. I took it off last night. And I really just want to make sure it's all gone. Guys, I went to Juicy Crab yesterday. And I had my first seafood boil in the bag, which I did record some clips of that. And I will be probably posting it tomorrow. It was just a little vlogging. It was just like, a little vlogging. I learned that I don't think I like the eggs in a boil. I don't know if it was because of their sauce. I think it was probably the sauce. I had got medium. I was gonna get spicy, hot, because I like hot food. But my sister wanted to try the Cajun sauce too, so I just got medium. And I don't like the eggs or the sausages, which I kind of already had thought that I wasn't going to like the sausages because I don't eat sausages. Those Polish sausages and stuff like that, I don't eat that. So I had a good idea that I wasn't going to like it. I didn't really like the sausage. And now this is my second go round of the soap. Oh, it feels good. I don't know why, for some reason, It feels, for some reason, it feels so good. The second time I do it, I guess, I don't know. Pores open. Really like to get my nose ring too. And I will be changing my nose ring today. This will be my first time changing it since I got it repierced. This has been cold. Like, I've been had a lot of apples, so I get my eyes really, really good. Okay, my skin is clean. It feels pretty smooth and soft. I don't think I need to do anything extra today. I'm not. I'm not gonna do anything extra today. Not today. I'm just trying to make sure I got everything I need, guys. So now, tea time. And you guys, I love electric toothbrushes. Like, I don't know. I seen a new one, I think, where it, I don't know. I don't want to get it wrong. Like, water comes out or something, but I need her. Okay, as you guys can see, my wig is off. And I don't even know what to call this. I think I got this from Beauty Supply. And I like to put this on under my wraps because I want everything flat, nice, and smooth. You know? And it is. I look like a jelly bean. So, you guys, my scarf is extremely long. So, now I just got to see how I actually want to wear it today. Okay, guys. I fold about this much. I take it, fold it. You guys can see it's folded. Make sure it's even. Take it to the back. Bring it down over the brows. Because over the brows, you guys. Take this part, pull it together like a ponytail, and cross it. Cross it. Pull it to the front. And before I start wrapping, I'll just make sure everything is nice, smooth, not too tight. Because if you wrap these too tight, you will have a headache. You will have to loosen it up. So, pull it to the front, cross, make a knot. Pull once again, not tight, to the back. Now, with this part, I just frame it, shape it how I want it shaped. Make sure everything looks really smooth. And you can either tie it in the back or you could wrap it in the back. I'm going to wrap it. So, I'm going to turn to the side. I'm going to take this one, leave that one out. See this one? Wrap it around to the other side, tuck it. Same thing with this one. Wrap it around. I'm going to wrap this way too. Wrap it around. It's kind of short. So, wrap it up. And guys, that is my head wrap for today. And I might put a little moisturizer on because you can see my nose was a little dry. I might just moisturize my nose. Moisturize my face. And that's basically my look for today. I might go in and do brows if I go somewhere. Or I might go in and do a full face, you know. Depends on how my day is playing. So you guys, that is the get ready with me this morning. Hope you guys have a wonderful, nice, safe, and blessed day. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell down below so you can get a reminder when your girl posts this video. Have a nice day. See you later. Toodles.